got some really interesting machines today. Oops, excuse me. These are two standard Model 13s. Just backward Roman. These are little specials. They're old. They go count from 1 to 99, then go back to 00, and they count over again. So it's 00 to 99 repeat. Don't make these. They haven't made these since the, I'd say, maybe the 60s, if you were lucky. Anyways, they left them all soaking in like a kerosene, and they are not coming apart. So they may take a bit of work. Definitely a bit of work to get them apart. Probably all rusted inside and the whole bit. Got to be all cleaned up. As long as the characters are okay, they look like they haven't been damaged, or they're pot, little rust spots into them and that stuff there, which is good. So anyways, we'll see where that goes. Okay, might as well start with one. Start with one anyways. See what it takes. Okay, here we go. Take them apart and repair them, and then there's some things that are crazy wrong with this. Like, oh, it is sticky. Let's see this. This is, no, that's bad. Plunger is just tough. Anyways, yeah, scorched. It was sitting in a can of cleaning solution, I guess people use. I don't do that. I just swish. For cleaning, I always just use standard blanket wash, and I blow it out with a compressor spray with WD, pat them dry, and I only do that depending on how much numbering I do. If they're going to sit with rubber base ink, I've let them sit for 2 weeks and then clean them up. It depends on how big the numbering job is. Do the job, get it over with, clean the machines. It's a big job, do it twice. Take some time. Numbering machines, if you want accuracy, and that's what they're for, is complete accuracy in the analog world. Easy, sir. Little rusty. You normally pop out because it's under spring pressure. Let's see how this goes. Pop. Come on. That's funny. Wow. All right. She is really like rusty. It's crazy. Sorry. Come on. Has to come up from the side here. There we go. That's a little better. At the same time. There we go. That's stuck. Ooh. It's caked in it. That's why. Yeah, that's pretty dirty. Okay. There's that. Let's see if this will work. I suspect the shafts are probably bent. Drop cipher shaft, but these are all both solid wheels. Okay. Let's see. It has to be pushable, and it may not because it's solid. Yeah, I usually put something. Where are we? As long as I'm under the center of that. Where's my Magnetic. Here we go. Oh, where are you going? Get over there. Hold it with my finger. Let's make sure it extends out the end. Right. Oh, that is very bad. Let's see if it'll fit on. Standard shaft, I think. Okay. Pull it out, and it's fairly straight. Okay, now these are all stuck together, no doubt. Wow, that's got to be cleaned out. Awful. That's what happens when you soak them. Okay, it's got a little spacer wheel, 2, 3, 2 spacers. Okay, please fit through here. There we go. We got it. All right. This has to be cleaned up. This is very, very delicate. It has to work perfect. Look at this. It's like rusted on. All right, there we go. So, I don't know what model number it is, but I've got 4 of those to do and a couple Model 13s. I'll be back when they're stripped. Take 3. Take 3. Take 3 from the cover to the cup. No, that's take T. Okay. Again. Special 00 to 99 repeat. And a little 4-wheel machine from Wetter. Pretty antique. I just tried to loosen these up because they were completely rusted. So hopefully they're all mobile. I was able to loosen them. Got some more WD-40 into them. Because pretty bad. He left them soaking in a can. There's a when I was letterpressman, a lot of the shops I went to, and I started doing it the same way, was a little bit of blanket wash and some oil. Mix it around and throw the numbering machines in there when you need them. Take them out, blow a compressor onto it. No, wrong. I stopped that over 30 years ago, 40 years ago. This is what happens when they're left in too long. Same thing with an ultrasonic cleaner. I don't use those either, because I've saw people leave them in there and they disintegrate. A Biomatic disintegrated right through the frame and everything. And I saw it happen. It's wild. You know, they clean jewelry and that stuff there, but it makes the machines too brittle. Let's see if I can do this a little bit. Okay, little by little. This one has to come up. Okay, got enough in there, good. Okay, and there we go. See, now it's loose. It's tongued in there by a little piece on the end plate. So, oh, okay. That's ferocious. Okay, that was just stuck. Okay, we'll see this when I get it all done up. Add it to the end of the video. I just make a little thing like this. See, it's got a right angle. Got to poke the shaft through it. Just do a couple of taps. It's only really crappy ink and stuff that's rusted it together. See, that's just all right. Okay, even here, this has to be taken out as one piece. Okay, let's see. All right. Now look at the wheels; they're all stuck together. Look at this. Move there. Yeah, that's pretty bad. All right. 3, and you're down. You're stuck. No, that's a definite repair. Okay, it's stuck. Okay, 2, done. I mean 3. Not done. This is a special one I forgot. These are solid in there. They got to come out. These should be running really free. This is another special thing that's very dirty. Where are you? These have to be taken out before I... Come on. It's not the smallest. It is small. Come on. Come on. There, now I'm done.